What's up, creators? Welcome back to TechTrekNet. Today we're taking you from scan to build with 12 incredible tools that can help you design, create, and bring your ideas to life. Whether you're into DIY projects, 3D printing, digital fabrication, or upgrading your workshop, these gadgets are built to make the job faster, smarter, and a whole lot more fun. If you enjoy discovering innovative tech, hit subscribe so you never miss what's next. You'll find links to every product in the description. Let's get started. Measure with Laser is a game changer for anyone tired of manual math and uneven walls. With AccuMeasure Tech offering insane accuracy within 1/32nd of an inch, this digital tape combines a classic pull-out tape with a 330-foot laser mode for long-distance jobs. It auto-calculates area, volume, height, and even indirect distances with zero input from you. Just point, press, and get the numbers. The backlit color display is easy to read in any environment, and with app syncing, you can save, organize, and share measurements across devices. Whether you're laying floors, installing cabinets, or mapping out a home studio, this is precision without frustration. The EINSTAR Rockit wireless laser 3D scanner kicks things off with a story straight out of the future. Imagine walking up to a glossy black engine part, pointing this pocket-sized scanner at it, and capturing every ridge and curve without spraying anything on its surface. Its 38 blue laser lines switch between fast wide area capture and fine detail scanning, cutting through tricky materials like reflective metal and deep holes with ease. You feel the freedom immediately. No cables, no markers, no setup nightmare, just pure mobility with a built-in swappable battery that gives you 3 hours of real scanning time. Outdoors, indoors, in bright sunlight, it keeps tracking thanks to its hybrid VC cell infrared mode and real-time Wi-Fi sync to your PC. Every point cloud looks shockingly clean, and its EINSTAR hub software stitches everything together into a polished 3D model ready for engineering, printing, or design. Next, the Revopoint Pop 3 Plus stands out as the most beginner-friendly unit here, while still delivering impressive precision. At only 190 grams, it feels like holding a smartphone gimbal, yet it captures 0.04 millimeter detail thanks to a new photolithographic calibration system and optical zoom that boosts point cloud density by up to 30%. You can scan faces, shoes, gadgets, art pieces, or prototypes in full color, using its RGB camera and LED lighting system. Its 9-axis IMU stabilizes shaky hands, while Wi-Fi 6 and USB-C give you quick, seamless connection to your phone or computer. RevoScan software keeps things simple with guided tutorials and easy editing tools. And when you're ready to take models into CAD, Revo Design helps convert scans into ready-to-use shapes. For creators, small businesses, and hobbyists, it's a lightweight and reliable entry point into professional scanning. Next, the 3D Maker Pro Mousse delivers a different kind of magic. Vivid 24-bit color paired with accuracy tight enough for medium format objects. Picture holding a hand-painted figurine, a shoe, or a custom prototype, and watching the mousse pick up subtle color transitions, small textures, and surface imperfections with its blue LED structured light system. It handles pieces from 15 millimeters up to 1500 millimeters, making it incredibly versatile for artists, product designers, and anyone wanting realism over industrial precision. Scanning at 10 frames per second with anti-shake stabilization, it smooths out your hand movements while JM Studio auto-aligns shots, cleans errors, and exports in OBJ, STL, or Ply. The mousse has a learning curve, but once you get comfortable, the amount of detail and color accuracy you can capture becomes addictive. It feels like documenting the real world in high-resolution digital form. Now, the Creality Sermoon S1 brings metrology-grade accuracy into a device that, honestly, feels much more accessible. With its 1+7+34 blue laser configuration, it handles wide area scanning, deep hole detection, and fine detail capture with 0.02 millimeter precision. Then comes the EINSCAN Rigil wireless, the true powerhouse of this lineup. Imagine a scanner that doesn't even need a PC because the computer is built inside it. With its 2.4 GHz CPU, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, and a massive 1 TB SSD, the Rigil processes data instantly while you watch every scan unfold on a bright 6.4-inch 2K AMOLED touchscreen. Its 50 laser lines and hybrid VCSEL system deliver ultra-fine 0.04mm accuracy, enough for reverse engineering, manufacturing checks, and art preservation projects. This thing eats dark, reflective, and metallic objects without hesitation. No spray needed, no markers required, and no lag thanks to Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. It's the scanner you take when precision matters and failure is not an option. If you're scanning automotive parts, molds, or anything with demanding tolerances, the Rigil becomes the tool you trust. HOTO PixelDrive electric screwdriver might just be the smartest driver on the market in 2026. With a digital torque display, 6 torque levels from 0.5 to 6 Newton meters, and a pressure-sensitive dual-speed trigger, this tool feels like a luxury experience every time you screw something in. The lower torque settings are ideal for delicate electronics, while the high torque options make short work of flat-pack furniture and home repairs. And it doesn't stop there. You get 30 premium bits organized in a triple-layer case, a 360-degree LED light built into the collar, and a rechargeable 2,000 mAh battery that powers hours of continuous use. This thing makes every task smoother, safer, and way more satisfying. And hey, if you're finding value so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews. The WORX MAKERX 20V Combo Kit is the most complete compact tool ecosystem we've tested this year. It includes a rotary tool, mini heat gun, wood and metal crafter, angle grinder, and a flex-powered hub that lets you swap tools without carrying bulky bodies. Everything's powered by the 20-volt PowerShare battery you can use across more than 75 tools. With 58 accessories included, brushless motors that extend runtime, and a micro-ergonomic design, this setup makes you want to engrave, shape, burn, cut, and sculpt everything in sight. The rotary tool alone is worth the price, but add in the nearly instant 500-degree Fahrenheit heat gun and the woodcrafter that rivals a full-size iron, and you've got a portable creator's studio in your hands. Packages, the HOTO 4V cordless rotary tool. This isn't your dad's Dremel. With 5 variable speed settings from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM and a low-noise motor, this compact engraver handles wood, metal, plastic, and even pet nails like a pro. You get 35 accessories, dual collie compatibility for all your bits, an LED ring light to eliminate shadows, and a USB-C charging port powering a 2,000 mAh battery. Weighing just 0.52 pounds and designed with a frosted rubberized grip, it feels more like a precision instrument than a power tool. Whether you're polishing, carving, or doing fine detail work, this little device punches way above its weight. Now let's jump from home assembly to high-stakes troubleshooting with the AstroAI digital clamp meter multimeter. Whether you're fixing outlets, diagnosing appliances, or wiring a workshop, this tool makes electrical testing way less intimidating. It measures alternating current, direct current, voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, you name it. Non-contact voltage detection lets you test safely without touching exposed wires. And visual or audio alerts let you know if you're in the danger zone. The backlit LCD screen, built-in flashlight, data hold function, and large jaw opening make it incredibly user-friendly, even in tight spaces. With Cat 3 600-volt safety certification, this is a serious tool for serious results. Next, if you're grinding metal or cutting tiles, you need a grinder that won't quit on you. Enter the Bosch GWX 18V 10PN X-Lock angle grinder. This beast delivers 10 amp equivalent brushless motor power and introduces the X-Lock system that lets you change wheels tool-free in seconds. No wrenches, no flange nuts, just click and go. With constant electronics maintaining speed under load and safety systems like kickback control, drop control, and the X-brake that stops the disc instantly after release, this grinder is built to perform under pressure. It's ergonomic, robust, and clearly designed for professionals who don't have time to mess around. Finally, the 3D Maker Pro Toucan delivers an all-in-one experience that feels like using a handheld computer built for scanning. This device doesn't need a PC at all. It has an 8-core processor, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and 256 gigabytes of storage built in. You just pick it up, start scanning, and process everything directly on the device. Its blue light projection system hits 0.03 millimeter accuracy, and the 48 megapixel color camera adds beautiful texture detail. With a wide scanning range from jewelry-sized objects to car parts up to 1000 by 750 millimeters, the Toucan adapts to whatever project you're working on. Damping adjustment wheel is a clever touch, letting you control zoom and brightness with precision, while the 6,600 milliamp-hour battery powers up to 2 full hours of scanning. It's the purest form of mobile scanning. Small, self-contained, powerful, and ready anywhere. Wireless, the true powerhouse of this lineup. Imagine a scanner that doesn't even need a PC because the computer is built inside it. With its 2.4 GHz CPU, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, and a massive 1 TB SSD, the Rigil processes data instantly while you watch every scan unfold on a bright 6.4-inch 2K AMOLED touchscreen. Its 50 laser lines and hybrid VCSEL system deliver ultra-fine 0.04 millimeter accuracy, enough for reverse engineering, manufacturing checks, and art preservation projects. This thing eats dark, reflective, and metallic objects without hesitation. No spray needed, no markers required, and no lag thanks to Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. It's the scanner you take when precision matters and failure is not an option. If you're scanning automotive parts, molds, or anything with demanding tolerances, the Rigil becomes the tool you trust. That's it for today's roundup. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description. See you next time on TechTrekNet. Make the background music house and hip-hop beats.